Anemia, specifically iron deficiency anemia, often develops gradually over time when the body's iron intake is insufficient. The standard treatment involves iron supplements, but dietary changes can also make a significant difference in combating this condition. The two primary forms of dietary iron are heme and nonheme iron. Heme iron originates from animal-based sources, making it more readily absorbed by the body. On the other hand, nonheme iron comes from plant-based or fortified foods and is absorbed less efficiently. To enhance iron absorption, increasing your intake of vitamin C is recommended. One enjoyable way to do this is by incorporating vitamin C-rich ingredients into your daily diet, particularly through smoothies. Citrus fruits, such as oranges and grapefruits, are abundant sources of vitamin C. For example, 180 grams of orange segments contain a remarkable 95.8 milligrams of vitamin C. These fruits can be the star ingredients in delightful smoothies, such as immunity-boosting orange smoothie and strawberry grapefruit smoothie. Kiwi, another vitamin C powerhouse, contains approximately 134 milligrams of this essential nutrient per 180 grams. You can craft delicious smoothies like the apple kiwi green smoothie to ensure you're getting a significant vitamin C boost while enjoying a refreshing beverage. Strawberries are also excellent choices, offering 88.2 milligrams of vitamin C in 150 grams of raw strawberries. You can whip up simple strawberry smoothies or healthy strawberry smoothies to make the most of this delightful fruit. Guava, a tropical treat, contains a whopping 376 milligrams of vitamin C in just 165 grams of raw guava. Try the tropical guava smoothie or guava pineapple smoothie for a delightful burst of flavor while promoting your iron absorption. To further combat anemia, consider incorporating iron-rich foods into your smoothie recipes. Spinach, for instance, contains nonheme iron and is an excellent choice to boost iron intake. A mere 85 grams of spinach provides 2 milligrams of iron. Spinach can be incorporated into recipes like detox spinach green smoothie or strawberry spinach smoothie. Kale is another iron-rich option, boasting approximately 1.59 milligrams of iron per 100 grams. You can use kale in kale smoothies or kale, apple, and banana smoothies, blending its earthy flavors with sweet fruits for a nutritious treat. Asparagus, a springtime favorite, contains 2 milligrams of iron in every 85 grams. Enjoy asparagus in recipes like the 5-ingredient asparagus strawberry smoothie or a spring green smoothie for a unique twist on iron intake. Tofu, a versatile soy-based product, can provide 1.08 milligrams of iron per 79 grams for firm tofu and 0.79 milligrams for silken tofu. Try tropical green smoothies or strawberry banana tofu shakes to include tofu in your iron-rich diet. Prunes, dried plums, offer a healthy dose of fiber, potassium, and vitamin K, along with 1.62 milligrams of iron in 174 grams of pitted prunes. Recipes like spinach prune smoothie or banana and prune smoothie can make prunes a delightful part of your diet. Mulberries, sweet or sour tree-grown fruits, contain 1.85 milligrams of iron in every 100 grams. Incorporate mulberries into your diet with recipes like the vanilla mulberry smoothie or banana mulberry oats smoothie. Dried apricots are another way to boost iron intake in your smoothies. Soak them in water to ensure they blend easily and add them to smoothie recipes like dried fruit smoothie, raisins and dried apricots smoothie, or carrot, peach, and apricot smoothie. In addition to smoothies, fruit and vegetable juices can be valuable for increasing vitamin C intake. These juices can be consumed separately or added to your smoothies. Tomato juice, for example, can be part of a delicious tomato juice and vegetable smoothie. The Morning Energy Booster smoothie and Zingy Ginger Pear smoothie are other fantastic options. When aiming to combat anemia, remember that certain foods and drinks can inhibit iron absorption. These include polyphenols found in black tea, herbal tea, wine, and coffee. Calcium may also affect iron absorption. It is best to avoid consuming calcium supplements with iron-rich meals. If you suspect you have anemia and are experiencing symptoms such as fatigue, dizziness, or pale skin, consult a healthcare professional. A blood test can diagnose anemia, and underlying causes can be identified and addressed. While it may take some time to restore iron levels, making dietary changes, such as incorporating iron-rich smoothies and juices, can be a tasty and effective way to improve your health and combat anemia. Just be mindful of fruit juice sugar content to stay within recommended daily limits.